In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new board in Chrome, choose a template, and quickly add content using keyboard shortcuts. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can get from a blank board to a useful working space in just a few moments. This is especially helpful if you want to brainstorm, organize ideas, plan a project, or collaborate visually without wasting time setting everything up from scratch. To begin, open a new board in Chrome. Starting with a fresh board gives you a clean workspace and helps you focus on the task you want to build. If you're using Chrome already, this should feel very straightforward. Once the board opens, take a second to look around at the layout so you know where your main tools are. Getting familiar with the interface early makes the rest of the process much smoother. Next, go to the toolbar and click Templates. This is one of the fastest ways to save time because instead of building everything manually, you can start with a pre-designed structure. Templates are useful when you already know your general use case, such as brainstorming, road mapping, planning, note-taking, or organizing a team session. Clicking into the Templates section gives you a range of ready-made options designed to help you work more efficiently. Now pick a ready-to-use template that matches your specific use case. The key here is to choose one that supports the kind of work you want to do, rather than just picking the first one you see. A good template gives you a helpful starting point, including layouts, sections, and prompts that make it easier to begin adding ideas right away. This can reduce setup time and also make your board more organized from the start. Once your template is in place, begin adding content rapidly by using keyboard shortcuts. Press N to create a sticky note and T to add a text box. These shortcuts are a great habit to learn early, because they let you move quickly without constantly going back to the toolbar. Sticky notes are perfect for short ideas, action items, or brainstorming points, while text boxes work well for headings, longer notes, or more structured information. As you build, try to stay consistent with how you use each content type so your board remains easy to read. The more you rely on these shortcuts, the faster and more natural your workflow will become. That's it. You've opened a new board in Chrome, selected a useful template, and started adding content quickly with simple keyboard shortcuts.